Hey everyone, so I'm a little late on the Tip Tuesday, which I normally am. I need to batch these things. But, anyways, I was just going to show you guys. I know that there are quite a few bloggers in here, and in Canva, um, I have I create templates for a lot of things. So, one of the things that I created a template for is my blog posts. Now, I need to be colorful, so I needed a colorful background. And then what I did is I created these. And I just want to show you. So, this is what they were looking like because I was just using like the blog pictures and stuff. I wasn't really doing the featured image as a something like that. I was using just a featured image from the blog post, and it never really fit. And I did try something like this, so that works as well. AI stuff like that. So I just like how that looks. I really do. I love how that looks. It's just clean. And so I'm going to be putting all my blog posts in this. So what my tip is set up a template that you can do. Like, let's see here. I'm going to delete these because I already put them up there. And then duplicate that one. And then this is, I would just say blog post title. And I'll probably have that. And I have these effects outline. You don't have to do that. You can use any of these. It's just, it looks so much better. Let me go back to black and thickness, however I want to do it. Anyways, let me my computer's like, you have been working all day. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this, but right up here I'm going to put template. Okay, blog post featured image. Now every theme will have a different theme, like a different featured image size. So you'll have to figure that out for yours. Mine is this size for the featured image and what this is the category page. So when I go to my front page, they're down here, which it looks looks better here too. I might change the color of this, but because it's a lot pink. But that is probably the only thing. I might change it to black. That's about it. But see, these look all weird. So my tip is to create a blog post featured image template. Okay. And also what you can do is you come over here to file and you can either make a copy of it, save to folder. And what I'm going to do is, let's see here. I will put it in my blogs. And there we have in here. And then the blog post, save. So now that I know where it is, you just create a folder for your templates or your blogs or whatever. So that is my tip for today. All right. Thank you.